Hey everybody, so welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know me or your first time to my channel, my name is Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencer. I love makeup, so I do makeup tutorials, reviews about the products, and now I'm going to start some really cool stuff on my channel. I'm going to start sharing my DIY face masks or anything which I do DIY at home, anything to related with lifestyle, beauty, fashion. I'm going to start sharing those things on my channel too. So I'm quite super excited about that. Also, if you don't know me, I'm Asian by birth, so I'm Indian. Both my parents were from India. I was born in India, but I was brought up in England. So kind of like I'm British Indian, now living in Canada. So I'm all over the place. Anyway, so today I'm going to share with you a very it's not a secret anymore because it used to be, but nowadays everybody know about this DIY mask. But everybody have their own variations how they actually make this mask, and some people don't know what is good for, even though now it's such like common and popular mask. Still people are a bit not sure what do you use it for. So today I'm going to do a DIY mask at home. All the ingredients I'm using today is from my own kitchen, and this mask is going to be for skin brightening, for glow, for radiance, and you can even do like a proper, you can even say it does a really deep cleaning of your face too. Okay, the things you're gonna need is a bowl, your measuring spoons, a brush to apply your mask, or even like a spatula to just apply your mask, and one spatula to just mix everything. And then you're gonna need your sponge to wipe your face afterwards, and you can use a spray bottle too, so if you need to add water or anything you can, but I'm not going to add any water today. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do. So the first ingredient is, I know it's in the bag, I haven't found a container to put it in yet. So the first thing I have here is called gram flour, which also is like a chickpea flour. In Asian or Indian language it's called besan. It's basically chickpea flour, so you can find that in many Indian stores, even now in the bigger superstores or stuff like that, in big grocery stores you can find these ingredients very easily. So the first one is going to be the besan, which is chickpea flour, and I'm going to use my big measuring spoon, and I'm just going to take out like 1 spoon. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys. So I've just taken out 1 spoon up, and I'm just going to add this in my bowl. The next ingredient I'm going to add is turmeric powder. A lot of people know this is a turmeric powder. In Indian language is called haldi. It's extremely good spice, not only just for your skin, as to have it in your food or even in your drink. If you get like a wound or something, if you hurt yourself, you can even apply this directly on your wound, and it really heals very fast. And I'm just going to, I'm not going to add this too much. Bear that in mind, this stuff is like stains, so you have to make sure you don't put too much, otherwise your face will be extremely yellow afterwards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my smallest measuring spoon, and I'm just going to put a tiniest, like I'm just putting like a very tiny amount, I'm just gonna even less than that, and I'm gonna put that in my mix. And so that's where it is. I'm just mixing everything now, and the next thing I'm going to add is just a normal milk. So the milk consistency is, you just put the milk, you just put the as much as milk it required for the mix to look like a paste, not too thin but not too thick either, so kind of like a in between texture. So I'm just going to slowly start adding the milk, and I'm gonna mix with my spatula at the same time so I can see the consistency, and if I need to add more I will add more. If I don't need to add any more, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. So yeah, pretty good. This is how it's looking like. This is the consistency. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a paper towel and I'm just going to start apply this on my face. Okay, I love this mask. It does a really good things to your skin. I'll highly recommend you to put like a hairband or something to cover your hair. I'm not really bothered at this point because I'm supposed to wash my hair in the morning, so even if it gets a little bit in my hair, it's fine. But you should really put some in your like hairband or something, apply something on your hair because before you start applying the mask, because it tends to get in your hair and it hurts when you take it off and it dries up, and if it's in your hair it gets pretty messy. So where is my timer? So I think I'm gonna put it for 20 minutes and I'm just gonna leave it on. Hopefully this will dry in 20 minutes. So the idea is to leave it on for until the mask is completely dry and you start to feel your skin a little tight. Okay guys, so my mask is pretty much dried. As you can see from my neck, it's starting to feel extremely tight and it's starting to get really tight around my mouth. I'm not supposed to talk when it's that tight because this is how you get wrinkles, but I'm just showing you guys quickly. And if I start doing this here, it's gonna get extremely messy, but I'm gonna show you quickly. So you're supposed to just go around and round even with this, or you can even do it with your hand, and it's gonna start to crumble up. Can you see? It's gonna start to crumble up and it's gonna start to come off. So I'm just gonna go and do this in my bath so I don't make too much mess in my studio. And I'll be back in a second. I just had my shower. This is how my skin is looking right now. So it's nighttime over here in nighttime skincare. So I already sprayed my face with my hydration mist. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply my Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Serum, and I'm gonna use the Good Molecule Discoloration Serum, and I'm just gonna apply this on my face. And also on my neck. I burned myself with the straighteners and this mark is not seems to be going away. Next thing I'm gonna do is my Olay eyes. You guys know how much I love my Olay eye cream. If you don't know my current daytime skincare routine, I will link the card somewhere here in the video. Recovery cream, which is this one, is just gonna take a dollop on my forehead, my face, a bit here more, and I'm going to moisturize my face. Super duper hydrated and super soft. Like when you wake up in the morning, your lips looks and feels super soft. Okay, and voila, I'm all ready for bed. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick DIY tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I shall see you guys next time. And hopefully next time will be a makeup tutorial or a review. You never know, you just have to wait and watch. See you next time. Love you all. Bye.
So let me catch you. So let me catch you slip.